Bodycon dresses are a fashion staple. They're sleek and sexy, can be dressed up and can be dressed down. Every now and then I want to look as sexy as Kim Kardashian here and here and here. But finding one that fits me right and has the right price tag could be really challenging. But making your own could be a game changer. All you need is a couple of basic sewing skills and some fabric. Today's video is the very first video of a series of videos based on Kim Kardashian's wardrobe. Why? Because she has an army of stylists, and I'm going to use that as inspiration to create my own wardrobe. See if I can recreate some of her most iconic looks. Let's get to work and make some magic. So these are the three fabric choices that I'm going to use today. My very first one, it's a honeycomb jersey with a beautiful honeycomb pattern across the face of the fabric. Has a beautiful stretch and a drape that I absolutely love. But guess what? It's wrinkle free. Next fabric, it's a beautiful jersey. Of course, jersey comes in a variety of stretch and actual composition, and it also comes in such a huge variety of color. But guess what? Today I'm going to do black because I have a lot of black. I'm comfortable with black. It's my comfort zone, and I buy always a lot of black. Next fabric is going to be a lightweight knit jersey. I use a lot of these, but this time I decided to pair it up with this black dress, and I'm going to put a twist on it. I am going to do a bodycon dress, double-sided. So let's get to work. I'm going to try to keep this as simple as possible for you. What I want to do with this video, I do not want you to feel intimidated. When I'm telling you this is a beginner's project, please trust me. It is a beginner's project. Even the blazer, it's extremely easy to make. All you need is a pair of good scissors, some measurement tape, and a sewing machine. Then get yourself some fabrics. If you're not sure where you got your fabrics from, please check the description below and you're going to find a bunch of sources. At this point, go ahead, you lay whatever fabric you have. If you don't have a big table, lay it on the floor. After you lay, make sure the stretch goes the horizontal way. That is going to fit exactly nice and snug around all the body shapes. And also considering we are not using a pattern today, right? So it's not an actual traditional pattern. It's just purely tracing a tank top. Find a tank top that fits you well. You love the neckline and you love the way it fits you. Lay it on top of your fabric. When you are done laying neatly down your tank top, pretty much you are ready to go ahead and trace. Make sure you remember to leave a 1/2 inch to 1 inch seam allowance, and from here on, you are on to cutting. So what do we have so far? Step 1, lay the fabric on the floor, right? Easy. Step 2, lay on top of it a tank top that you're comfortable wearing. Step 3, trace it and cut it. And step 4, go and sit down to your sewing machine. And then from there, happy sewing. You're going to make your first bodycon dress.
Midnight glow where the stars align. We lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky painted with dreams, we're chasing the echoes of silent screams. Caught in the spell of the cosmic night, where fantasies bloom in the pale moonlight. We'll let go of all that we know and dance in the stardust gentle flow. Dancing in the stardust, we're weightless and free in a world of wonders. Just you and me, lost in the moment. Our spirits ignite as we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light. Among constellations we'll find our way. Through the celestial symphony we'll sway. With every step we leave our cares behind. In this celestial ballroom, love's defined. Caught in the spell of the cosmic night, the fantasies bloom in the pale moonlight. Dancing in the stardust, we're weightless and free in a world of wonders. Just you and me, lost in the
You see me here using this serger or overlocker. Don't panic if you don't have one. It is a luxury to have. If you're not a professional seamstress, if you're not someone who works in an industry, I don't think it's worth for you to actually go ahead and spend a couple of $100 on a serger to use it occasionally. Obviously, when you purchase, you're going to use it a lot more. But in the meantime, we are talking about you being beginner. We want to take you from that stage where you just sew occasionally to sewing on a daily basis or sewing pretty much every piece of clothing you are wearing. And so the serger is not important. Go ahead and select the actual zigzag stitch on your sewing machine, and you can close the seam with that. Close the neckline because obviously at this point you have a raw edge along with the armholes. Put the dress on, make final adjustments. I think this is really important to be happy with the fit. And you're all done. You're ready to wear it.
In the midnight glow where the stars align, we lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky.
And there you have it, a complete Kim Kardashian inspired look made by you. With a little creativity and effort, you can achieve high-end fashion looks without the high-end price tag. And so for now, thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed and took some value out of it and you got inspired about my DIY fashion journey. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more fashion tutorials and tips. And by the way, let me know which Kim inspired look is your favorite. Let's chat about it, let's come up with ideas and create new looks in the future. Until then, happy sewing everybody!
Cosmic light, among constellations we'll find a way. Through the celestial symphony we'll sway. With every step we leave our cares behind. In this celestial ballroom love's defined. Caught in the spell of the cosmic night, the fantasies bloom in the pale